You can see the football me bunny. Nice football me too logo on the top of the box. Very nice logo. Me logo on the front of the box. As you can see, the box is matte, but there is a glossy football logo on the left side of the box as well as on the right side of the box. Very nice touch, I must say, very nice touch. In the back you can see the details created by Xiaomi. Now let's take out the football me too, or the football me bunny as we call it. I must say it's very cute. Has star on the hat, the red ribbon on the neck. It has an English jersey, England written on the back, and me logo on the red ribbon. As you can see, it's a very nice finish, made with a very high quality material, soft. You can take a closer look. Me logo. Other details. Me bunny has no nose actually. Well, that's it for now. It's a football meat bunny. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, press the like button. Thank you.